In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to plan for a secure financial future. Let's explore the key steps of financial planning in just 1 minute. Step 1. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Understanding where your money goes helps you make informed financial decisions. Step 2. Seek professional advice. Consult a financial advisor who can provide expert guidance tailored to your goals and needs. Step 3. Set financial goals. Define your short-term and long-term objectives, such as saving for a house or retirement. Having clear goals keeps you focused. Invest wisely. Explore various investment options that align with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Diversifying your investments can help maximize returns. Step 5. Communicate with loved ones. Ensure open communication about finances with your family, shared goals, and mutual support. Create a stronger financial foundation. Remember, financial planning is a lifelong journey. By taking these steps today, you can build a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Start planning today. Your financial future starts with